This place was so busy last time, but because you have to walk all the way around, it looks like nobody's here. There's two guys over there sat having a natter. Apart from that, we've got the place to ourselves. Anyway, enough looking at me when you've got a view like this. Wow, look at that. Like I said earlier, them two wings are the Staten Island September the 11th Memorial, looking straight where the towers would have stood. Yeah, last time you could walk straight round this seafront. You see where all the building work's going on. That's a fantastic view. Absolutely stunning. Oh, there is a couple of people sat on the front. Not just me. Let's walk through anyway. If I remember rightly, they had names on. Yep. Like so, this one says Patrick D. Byrne, firefighter. Operations manager, firefighter. Firefighter. Fire marshal. There's some flowers there, so I presume it was his birthday not long ago. Where we're looking here. This one may be April. What we're in now, June, and you can see the faces on the sides looking out to where it happened. Thank you all very much. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all from New York City very, very soon.